Good morning, class. I am Shailaja Ranore from Kumar Vidya Mandir Bolivri, Taluka Karbir, District Kolhapur. Today we are going to learn from 7th English textbook, Unit 1.4 Journey to the West. About lesson. Much of the world literature has been translated into English. In this passage, we learn about an epic novel with title Journey to the West and its most popular character Sun Wukong or Monkey King. This novel is a classic of Chinese literature. It was written in the 16th century by Wu Cheng. Does the passage remind you of a few things you read in your history textbook last year? When we read the words Journey to the West, we naturally start thinking about a journey to Western countries like England and America. But West is a relative term. For countries to our east, we are the West. This particular journey that we are going to read about was actually a journey from China to our country. It made by the famous 7th century traveler Yuan Shang. In those days, traveling from China to India was not an easy task. One had to travel thousands of miles on foot or horseback, crossing deserts, crossing snow-clad mountains, crossing strange unfamiliar regions, using roads where bandits and robbers roam. Who would do it? But Yuan Shang had a dream. He wanted to take Buddhist scriptures from India to his homeland in China. It was like a pilgrimage to him. Yuan Shang undertook the long and difficult journey to follow his dream. For 17 long years, he kept on traveling, suffering many hardships on the way. He traveled across the Gobi Desert, then along the Tian Shan mountain range, and on along the Silk Road, through regions that are now Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, and Pakistan before he came to India. In India, he traveled to many parts and gathered many important manuscripts. The way back home was also equally difficult, but Yuan Shang managed to reach China safely along with the scriptures. This was a great achievement. It was almost unbelievable, so much so that people thought that the gods and supernatural powers had helped Yuan Shang in his quest. This gave rise to many interesting folktales. Centuries later, an epic novel called Journey to the West was written about this famous pilgrimage. The novel made use of many of the folktales. The novel and the stories in it are still very popular. The novel tells us that there are many demons and evil powers who are eager to kill and gobble up the holy monk. Who would save him? Who would banish the demons? Well, the Guardian deity, who is the goddess of mercy, has seen to that. She has assigned this task to 3 special people: Sun Wukong or the Monkey King, Zhu Baji or Pigji, and Sha Wujing or Sand Priest. Now, these 3 characters are no saints. In fact, though they all have supernatural powers, they are known troublemakers. So the gods have thrown them out of heaven. However, the kind deity Guardian has offered each of them more chance. If you help the holy monk in his pilgrimage to India, if you use your power for this good work, then you may return to heaven. That is why the three characters have agreed to be Yuan Shang's disciples and to help Yuan Shang in his difficult journey. And sure enough, they have many thrilling, exciting, and sometimes humorous adventures on the way to the Holy Land, India.